This is Wordly Wise, Lesson 3, quiz or test. Number 1, to modify a law is to pass it swiftly, B, obey it reluctantly, C, make it less severe, or D, disobey it on purpose. Number 2, a pivot is someone, A, on whom others depend, B, who plays tricks on others, C, who seems happy most of the time, or D, whom others distrust or dislike or trust. 3, a generation is the average length of time between the birth of parents and their children, space shuttle launches, the Summer and Winter Olympics, or U.S. presidential elections. Number 4, the baby boom generation is a kind of preschool or kindergarten, a popular rock and roll band of the 1960s, the length of time between the Great Depression and the fall of the Berlin Wall, or D, a large group of people born after World War II ended. Number 5, the Hurleys want to instill good values in their son. This means they want to believe that their son has good values, teach good values to their son little by little, to find out if their son has good values, or their son to learn good values in school. Number 6, the same idea recurred to Dan several times this week. This means that several different people had the same idea. Dan kept forgetting his idea. The same idea kept coming into Dan's mind. Dan thought of several solutions to the same problem. Number 7, there were 3 generations at the Arroyo family reunion. This means that only 3 children were there. Children, parents, and grandparents were there. Aunts, uncles, and pets were there. Or moms, dads, and kids were there. So think of 3 different generations. Number 8, which of these is a pivot? A swivel chair, a granite boulder, a spoon, or a mountain lion? Number 9, a white cat jumped nimbly onto the garage roof. In this sentence, which word modifies the word jumped? Nimbly, cat, white, or roof? So which word modifies or describes jumped? Number 10, combustion means burning, which describes spontaneous combustion. A woman strikes a match to light a candle flame. A man puts another log on a blazing fire. A boy gathers kindling for a campfire. In a deserted garage, a pile of oily rags bursts into flames. Number 11, choose a synonym for the word conjecture. Proposal, proof, surmise, or fantasy. Number 12, a synonym for the word disposition. Trait, opinion, excuse, temperament. Number 13, synonym for encompass. Point, guide, enclose, or accompany. Number 14, synonym for the word guile. Trickery, contentment, kindness, depression. Number 15, imperative. disapproving, fascinating, elegant, or urgent. Number 16, modified, smooth, changed, elegant, or urgent. Number 17, synonym for pivoted, leaped, danced, turned, or somersaulted. Number 18, synonym for recurred, growled, repeated, performed, or healed. Number 19, disposition, tendency, disposal, display, or pose. Number 20, synonym for imperative, furious, whiny, commanding, or surprised. 21, synonym for recurrence, instance, outbreak, finale, or return. All right, for the following, you will pick an antonym for the words. Antonym is an opposite. Antonym for prevalent, rare, costly, sparkling, or precious. 23, an antonym for conjectured, failed, rebelled, proved, or escaped. 24, an antonym for encompassed, exported, captured, extricated, or excluded. 25, an antonym for extricate, praise, entangle, assist, or ignore. 26, an antonym for pivotal, significant, silent, embarrassed, or pain. 27, spontaneous, an antonym, celebratory, rehearsed, extraordinary, or fascinating. Okay, the next are analogies. Find the word that correctly completes the analogy. Obedience is to rebellion as spontaneity is to joy, as spontaneity is to deliberation, as spontaneity is to excitement, as spontaneity is to affection. 29. Medley is to music as anthology is to painting, anthology is to dance, anthology is to writing, or anthology is to sculpture. Number 30. Modest is to humble as anonymous is to famous, as anonymous is to author, as anonymous is to unknown, or as anonymous is to donation. Okay, when you are finished, please go back and check through your answers before hitting submit, and then you can submit your answer or submit your form for your score. Any questions, please ask.